When we have pain, we utter the word again, mother. The word mother signifies love, care, affection, concern, and sacrifice. This simple word, mother, gives us so much power during bad times, so much comfort during bad times. And today, we are very honored to have such a mother with us, the mighty mother. And thank you, Kajol, for gracing this occasion. Today, we are on the verge of releasing the film Mighty Raju, Rio Calling, and this will be released in cinemas on 16th May 2014, that is next Friday. This is the third film coming out of Green Gold, and Green Gold has produced a lot of shows so far, and most popular one so far is Chota Bheem. The story of Raju started with Chota Bheem. In one of the episodes of Chota Bheem, when we were creating, I felt that Raju is an aspirational character. He wants to be like Bheem. Raju is a 4-year-old character, friend in Chota Bheem series. So he always wants to be like Bheem, but he's not as powerful. I felt the first thing that we must try to give this mighty Raju superpowers, and let's test one episode. And we spoke to Pogo, and they agreed on the idea, and we did an episode called Superheroes, where Raju is a superhero in that episode, and the episode clicked very well. And later on, we got a chance to pitch for a new show to Pogo, and we pitched for Mighty Raju, and in a new time zone, that is modern day in Aryanagar in India, so was readily accepted by Pogo. So we're very grateful to them. And then when Bheem became mightier every year, 2 years ago we released our first movie, Chota Bheem, and Chota Bheem and the Curse of Damayan. That went on to become India's most successful animated film so far. The next year, in 2013, that is the last year, we released Chota Bheem and the Throne of Bali. That again became very popular. But after giving so much of Chota Bheem to the audience, we felt that we must try something new, we must take something different. So we thought getting a movie on Mighty Raju would be a great idea. And with the soccer around the World Cup around the corner in Rio, we thought there would be no better subject than making the film based on soccer. So our movie, Mighty Raju Rio Calling, has a tagline, soccer, samba, and samosas. And as the tagline sounds, the film is about sports, action, samba standing for dance and music, and above all, a lot of adventure. Superhero masala as well. So this film, I personally believe, is not just for kids, but for all those adults or anyone who loves to have dreams and fantasies to be heroic, to go and execute the adventures. Of course, animation is a way to make your dreams come true, and for children, it's the best way. So I will take this opportunity now to play a few trailers from the film, and I hope you like it. Request the lights to be turned off.
Can we please dim the lights or turn them off entirely, please? Yeah, let's shut them completely. Yes.
People have worked on this project over the last 1 year, and we worked relentlessly on this project. Last year, we had a team of 10 people go down to Rio, study the fauna and flora over there, the architecture, the people, the dance, the music. And we also composed the last song that you heard is also composed by our music director, Sunil Kaushik, and it is done in Brazil. So probably we had Latino music, you could feel the difference in the other song and this one. So the highlight of this movie, besides the animation and special effects and technical excellence, it's also the music. I hope all of you you like the trailers, and I hope you go watch in the theaters. That's it from me. Thank you, Natasha.
Thank you. A big round of applause for this amazing endeavor. At this point, I would like Mr. Samir Jain to say a few words about the marketing and business side of this film.
Yeah, good evening, guys. A very warm welcome. It's really heartening to see such a huge media presence here. appreciate it from the bottom of the heart. Thank you so much for coming. Kajol, I was just sharing whether it's like something which people like us who've been trying to get a new vertical into animation industry in India, we do need encouragement and support. And Kajol has been so generous. Thank you so much, ma'am. She's supporting us, and it is going to help us in a big way. It is going to help the Indian industry in a big way going forward. Please continue to do that.
Ms.
Mighty
Kajol,
Raj-
oh, sorry.
Mighty Raju Rio Calling is releasing on 16th of May. It's a out and out fun movie. Just like Rajiv mentioned, the whole team has really worked extensively on it. There are few firsts to this movie in terms of Green Gold.